You're watching Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. Granita all'anguria, Italian watermelon ice. I'm going to show you how to make this easy, refreshing Italian dessert at home. Here's how. Pour a 1/3 cup water and 1/2 cup vegan sugar into a small saucepan. Stir it and bring it to a boil on medium heat. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Remove it from the heat, setting it aside to reduce to room temperature. Place 3 cups watermelon, peeled and cubed, into your blender and liquefy it. Pour the watermelon juice into a large bowl. Followed by the sugar syrup. Stir it with a whisk until it's fully combined. Cover it tightly and place it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. Once it begins to solidify, remove it from the freezer every 30 minutes and stir, breaking up the solid pieces. Place it back in the freezer. Remove it again another 30 minutes, and you can see it's already becoming that slushy consistency. Cover it back up and return it to the freezer. Remove it again another 30 minutes. And you can see it's reached our desired consistency, which you can already serve. Alternatively, you can freeze your granita overnight and let it melt at room temperature for 10 minutes, breaking it up and mixing it to a slushy consistency. Serve your watermelon granita in a chilled glass, topped with vegan whipped cream and accompanied by a brioche. Eat it the traditional way, dipping the brioche in your granita and whipped cream. So watermelony, naturally sweet and refreshing. It's like summer in Italy. So good. When you make these recipes, tag Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle in your posts. Follow on social media for exclusives and to find out what's airing next. Watch Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle on YouTube for these recipes and more. Like and comment on YouTube, share episode and content links, and subscribe even if you're watching on TV.